Inferno basically is a 4-day intensive career workshop. Okay, discover and explore more suitable career choices. We hope that after deciding what you want to do, okay, you will, of course, go to the path that you want to go to.
Essentially, I'm here to share with you guys. The objective is to spend the next 3 days or so finding out more about career choices.
Hi everyone, I am Shan. As I reflect, I think this career workshop it came at the right time because I started this year leaving my job because my company didn't renew my contract.
A wise man ever asked me before when I first started, you want to make money or you want to get fame?
What I love about Enneagram, they teach you more in depth about yourself, why you are like this.
Hello, I'm Felicia. It's not just taking an online personality test like 16 personalities or MBTI taught me how to get along with other people who are of different types.
Imagine what? Wow! So slowing down is a growth behavior for me.
Hi, I'm Tomogo Angel. So after I went to this course, right, I learned about what kind of character I am. So I'm a type 3, workaholic, I always work from 24 hours.
So I met people with a lot more work experience than me, and even they also find it useful. So it's also applicable to university students like me.
So whether you are in this industry or you're not in this industry, it is also applicable to you, to your family, and to your loved ones.
Toxic workplace. Yeah, toxic workplace. I'm putting you in. I'm a type 5 or something.
I think you share so much here.
And I also learned from Joanne about financial planning and how you can even start at a young age like me. I admire how she's willing to do things that nobody has ever tried before.
Thank you Career Inferno, thank you 6 Productions for coming up with this workshop, and I've learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining Career Inferno this season, and we hope that this has been enjoyable and life-changing. We would like to thank our following partner sponsors: the Enneagram Academy, X Advisory Group, Little Sayang, Kelture Aveda, and the School of Makeup. And we hope to see more of you next season. Bye!